Now, your Weather Max forecast with meteorologist Caitlin Moffitt.
Good morning and happy Tuesday. We've got some snow showers out there on the Doppler and satellite. Really not affecting most of us here across the region, but we are seeing a few pockets kind of develop just off to our west of the Twin Ports. So you may be waking up to a few flurries out there just as that clouds kind of support this low pressure system that's off to our south and west that is producing very scattered light snow showers. So some of us may be seeing that this morning. You'll notice that pocket just north of Brainerd kind of that's starting to develop this morning, and we're going to continue to see that probably push east before it dissipates quite a bit like we're seeing down in the south as well. Other than that, it's pretty minimal in terms of the snow shower activity. You'll notice many areas in our map here are indicating that. Up on the hill, we're indicating some flurries. Big Grand Rapids and Bemidji also indicating some flurries as well. Temperatures are starting to kind of get back to above zero. You'll notice Hibbing made a big jump back to a 1 below. 2 degrees up in the Twin Ports and 9 degrees over in Ashland. For the most part, mostly cloudy skies are going to stick with us this morning. They'll start to break up through the afternoon hours as this low pressure system kind of starts to dissipate and the snow moves south. We'll start to see a break in the cloud cover. This warm front will also lift up over the region tonight into tomorrow morning. That temperature trend will be noticeable because we're going to hit lows pretty chilly tonight, but by the early morning Wednesday, temperatures will already be in the teens, and then we're going to climb from there into those low 30s. A southwest wind's going to help with that as well. But behind that low pressure comes a cold front, and this cold front is going to be bringing in a surge of pretty cold air for the day come Friday. So although we're going to hit our high temperature 26 degrees, we'll be in the morning hours on Thursday. A breezy northwest wind is going to plummet those temperatures pretty quickly Thursday evening into your Friday morning. Timing out for you here on the map, you'll notice 12 o'clock today. There's that snow shower activity kind of down to our south and west, but as that snow moves out, the clouds move out with it. So we'll see a little bit of sunshine here before the sun does set this evening. Temperatures obviously struggle to get past those single-digit numbers for much of the day today, and then we'll start to see below zero for a few hours tonight through Wednesday after midnight. Winds will start to shift, and then that warm front starts to lift up over the region. You'll notice the 18 degrees in Fargo, 1 degree in International Falls, and the 2 below over in Hayward. A big difference in temperatures that will slowly progress east Wednesday morning. By the afternoon hours, we climb into those mid-30s, which is well above average. We'll see a little bit of sunshine, but not much as a snowy system kind of moves with that cold front Thursday morning, which brings a chance for a light round of snow. Not much in terms of accumulation, but still enough to kind of coat those roads. Thursday morning will be left with cloudy skies for the afternoon hours. Otherwise today, cold, bundle up. Temperatures are going to be in those single digits across the board. A few 10s and 11 degrees off to the east. Tonight, we drop into those single digits, even a few below zero. But once that wind shifts out of the southwest, temperatures will start to climb back up into the above average spot. Now 32 for Wednesday and Thursday, 26 degrees. There is that slight chance for some snow shower activity both Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and then the better looking shot for the weekend with more of an accumulating amount, maybe if it doesn't go south. But those are our two shots right now for snow.
There is the most perfect picture, I guess, of winter in the Northland is Wednesday and Friday.
Yeah.
Not even a 72-hour difference and two completely almost different season days. So that's, I don't know, have the scarf and gloves ready. You might not need them
for
tomorrow.
But then you'll need them again Friday.
You're definitely going to need them Friday, maybe even later on Thursday. Yeah. What a chilly forecast. Yeah. I know that we need to get used to this, so I'm not going to complain too much about it. But thanks, Caitlin.
You bet.